Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Bigyan natin ng reaksyon ngayon itong pahayag ni Professor Winnie Monsod, isang ekonomista na nire-respeto sa kanyang larangan sa pagiging economist. Sa isang interview, tinanong siya kung may pag-asa pa ba ang PBBM admin for the last 3 years up to 2028. Sabi niya, do you want my honest opinion? Yun, nagsalita. So ano ang nakikita ni Professor Winnie Monsod sa administrasyong ito? Nako, masakit po ang katotohanan. Kaya lang, kung minsan tanggapin natin. Dahil ang katotohanan, yan, magigising ka talaga. Okay, pakinggan natin ito at bigyan natin ng reaksyon.
For this administration in the last 3 years until 2028?
You want my
Honest opinion.
Because
No.
you've got people around the president who do not deserve to be in government. Who do not. He has so much potential. And he means well. His first SONA address, I was kind of impressed. He was so kind to Duterte, and now he's so brutal to Duterte. You know how these things change. He was so thankful to Duterte. I mean, don't look at what he talks about. You look at what he does.
So is there still hope for this
Ulit
administration
natin.
in the last 3 years until 2028?
You want my
Honest opinion.
Di siya, no.
Because you've got people around the president who do not deserve to be in government. Who do not. He has so much potential. And he means well. His first SONA address, I was kind of impressed. He was so kind to Duterte, and now he's so brutal to Duterte. You know how these things change. He was so thankful to Duterte. I mean, don't look at what he talks about. You look at what he does.
And during Duterte,
Okay, so agree ba kayo sa sinabi ni Professor Winnie Monsod na wala nang pag-asa ang administrasyong ito? He has so much potential, sabi. Ako rin. Naniniwala ko nung panalo na may magagawang maganda ang Marcos administration. Lalo na nung nandyan pa si Attorney Vic Rodriguez. Sa mga nakabasa sa inyo sa libro ni Attorney Vic, they want good governance. At they started on the right foot or right direction. Gusto nila mag-set up ng good governance team. Kaya first 3 or 4 months maganda. Sinasala ng todo ni Attorney Vic yung i-appoint. Dahil gusto nga nila na yung kampanya nila na bayan babangon muli, ayaw nilang mapahiya sa taong bayan, yung 31.6 million Filipinos. Gusto nilang i-fulfill your promise na mas magaang buhay, mas magandang kinabukasan. Yes, PBBM administration has so much potential. Agree ako dito kay Professor Winnie Monsod. Kaya lang, ito na, nung may nakialam. Sabi ni Professor Monsod, those who are in government do not deserve. Yung mga nakapalibot sa presidente. Ganon din ang sinasabi ni Senator Amy. Napapalibutan, yung kapatid niya, napapalibutan ng demonyo. So, yun ang problema. So, nung hindi na makatiis si Attorney Vic, umalis siya. Dahil iba ng direksyon eh. Ngayon, ito na tayo ngayon. Nagkaloko-loko. Nung una, very thankful ang administrasyong ito, ang presidente sa Pangulong Duterte. Nagpapasalamat. Ano na ngayon? Napaka-brutal na. Totoo yun. That's the correct word. Pakinggan natin ulit. Ang ganda
with this administration in the last 3 years until 2028?
You want my
Honest opinion.
No.
because you've got people around the president who do not deserve to be in government.
Correct.
He has so much potential, and he means well. His first SONA address, I was kind of impressed. He was so kind to Duterte, and now he's so brutal to Duterte. You know how these things change. He was so thankful to Duterte. I mean, don't look at what he talks about. You look at what he does.
Okay.
So is there still hope?
Magbasa tayo sa mga comments. Sayang. Stephe Tan, sabi niya, worst corrupt president ever had in history. Yung budget 2025. Ang dami ng pumuna. Worst budget in history. Ex-Senate President Franklin Drilon, Senator Lacson, yan, Attorney Vic Rodriguez, Congressman Ungab. Ang dami ng kasong isinampa sa Supreme Court against sa budget 2025. Most corrupt. Angelito Alindayo, BBM is the greatest traitor of all time. He doesn't have a word of honor. The biggest mistake that people voted BBM. Isa na ako doon. My greatest mistake sa political is pagboto kay BBM. Loje Bitoy, same opinion. No more Pag-asa. Bio Paloma, correct, hopeless because of corruption. Ronald Sato, indeed, true. Pai Cranel, the worst president in the Philippines. DL Garol, she's just telling her honest opinion, her reality. Xia Lum, Bongbong is just a puppet president. Reggie Prudente, tama kayo, Ma'am Winnie. Yes, he's so kind to Duterte because he owe a lot to Duterte. The burial of his father, the freedom his mother Imelda from hated family in the Philippines turned into the throne of power because of evil people who surrounded him, and the likes of Rimulya brothers, Gibo, Anyo, Torre, and Browner. Absolutely correct, sabi ni Marife Wahib. Hopeless government, PBBM. Okay. So these are all opinion. Depende na sa taong bayan. May mga tao rin nagsasabi na best president daw siya. Then, so be it. Okay, mga kaibigan, salamat sa inyong pagsubaybay sa ating channel. Nakakatulong kayo sa Tribong Talaandig sa Bukidnon dahil ang sweldo natin sa channel na ito is tinutulong natin sa Tribong Talandig. Sa ngayon, namimigay tayo ng mga yero at pako para ma-repair ang sira-sirang bahay ng Tribong Talandig. Kaya salamat sa inyong panonood, lalo na yung mga hindi nag-skip ng ads. Panoorin nyo ang video na ito.
Maupod niyang natabangan na mugero. So ako silang ayo maayong udto. Una ni ang nahatag namo nga yero. So ila na gid na atop. So maayo na gid ang ilang atop karon. So unsa man imong maistorya nga karon maayo na inyong atop o kuan na gyud, nindot na gyud.
Salamat mi sa Ginoo kay natagaan mig sin. Wala nang gatulo diri sa balay og sa nag-sponsor. Salamat sad kaayo. Kay dili mi matabangan kung dili mao ang nag-sponsor ani ug ang Ginoo. Kung wala pa ang tabang dili pa mi makaatop kay lisod pa ang panginabuhian karon. Tay ni nga tabang kay para nga makadawat pa mi. Kay daghan pa ang among problema nga di na makuan. Sama aning sin di karon naka atop nami.
So salamat kaayo. Sige.